In this section, we will discuss how to both stack and destack an industrial racking system. As one of the most common and space-efficient ways to store goods, freestanding racking systems are something you will most likely encounter in your lifetime as forklift truck operators. Therefore, learning how to stack and destack will allow you to utilise the space safely but also at its full potential. So now, on to the stacking. Step 1. On the approach, turn 90 degrees to face the stacking aisle and stop with the load 6 inches or 150 mm from the desired stacking location. Apply your parking brake and engage neutral. This is to ensure that pedestrians don't try to come between you and the stack. It also allows you, the operator, to be more precise when judging the height of the pallet when preparing to enter the stack. Step 2. Level the forks off at ground level in order to comply with the manufacturer's stated lifting capacity and ensure that the pallet doesn't foul the racking on entry. Once this has been completed, raise the forks to the desired height and prepare to enter the racking. Step 3. Select forward gear, observe 360 degrees, release the parking brake and check all round once more before proceeding forward. Step 4. Once the necessary steering adjustments have been made, stop with the load sufficiently overhanging from the racking, in this instance that's 1 to 2 inches, and with the load approximately 2 to 3 inches from the vertical beam or the load next to it to ensure uniform distribution of the pallets. Apply parking brake and engage neutral. Step 5. Lower the load under control safely on the racking, ensuring that there is sufficient clearance for the forks to be withdrawn without fouling the racking or the pallet. Step 6. Select reverse gear, check 360 degrees, release the parking brake, and after a final check all round, reverse back, looking in the direction of travel, occasionally checking that the forks are withdrawing cleanly. Stop when the forks are 6 inches or 150 mm from the racking, apply your parking brake and select neutral. Step 7. Lower your forks into the correct travel position, reverse away from the racking and it's on to the next load. Step 1. Approach 6 inches away from the destack location, apply parking brake and engage neutral. Step 2. Level and lift the fork to the desired height to enter the pallet, ensuring that there is sufficient clearance. Step 3. Drive slowly forward until the front face of your forks are flush, ensuring that you're having to undercut the pallet. Step 4. Lift the pallet clear of the racking. If at this point the forks dip forward, apply a small amount of back tilt to ensure that the load is stable and prepare to withdraw from the racking. Step 5. Reverse back, ensuring that the load doesn't foul the racking, stop 6 inches away and lower the load into the correct travel position.